Ang asawa ko, ginawa ko ng lahat, pero hindi pa rin nagbabago. Ang cancer mo, sabi ng doktor, hindi ka nagagaling. Anong gagawin mo? Iiyak ka? Magmumukmuka? Magbabackslide ka? Hindi! Gamitin mo ang mas mataas na law. It is the law of prayer. Bakit? Because it is a supernatural law that allows God to intervene. Even if God said, I will never intervene anymore in this world, God already also placed a law, a supernatural, more powerful law than any of the law on the earth. Because prayer is a spiritual force, the powerful force that supersedes the natural law. Tumatagos siya sa lahat ng dimensions, tumatagos siya sa lahat ng sitwasyon. Prayer is our invitation to God to intervene in the affairs of earth. Kaya ang prayer, it is a request for Him to work His ways in this world.